Mel's Craft. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi if this is your first time. I'm coming back today. I've got an unboxing. Never had anything from this company before. It's called Love Crafts in the UK. I did buy a cross stitching pattern, a hedgehog cross stitch pattern, but I also bought a diamond painting, which I thought I'd show you now. And it is a diamond dots. Now I've never had a diamond dot, so this is new to me. Didn't even know that I could get them so easily here. Love Crafts, you go on their site, and I think you have to go in the cross stitching section to get to this, to the diamond paintings parts. But on the back it says follow the diamond dots chart. Picking it up is so easy. Sticking it down is fun. Quick and easy and fun to do. Just use a diamond dot stylus to pick up a dot and place it into the matching square on the sticky print. And the kit contains a high quality colour printed fabric, diamond dots pre-sorted by shade, diamond dot stylus, craft tray and wax caddy, complete instructions in all whatever languages they are. And it's suitable for ages 8 to 80. So if you're 81, you've had it. But yeah, and that's what it is. It's a doggy look. Kidmat one and a mousey. I just saw him and I thought that's cute for Christmas. Easy, fun, spectacular, all-inclusive diamond faucet art kit. And scan to see how to. So if you scan that little code, it'll take you to a video that will show you how to do it. So shall we get into it? So this is a first. Need some scissors. Not used these before, this company. If you have, let me know in the comments down below and tell me what you think. Oh, I've got sellotape on the side as well, look. Right, get my scissors in there. Just about. Not doing a very good job of this, am I? One. Two. So we just empty it out. Yeah, just tip it out, shall we? That's everything out the box, look. So this is your, so get this out and let it breathe for a minute, as they say. It's only a little canvas. I didn't want anything too big, I just wanted a little snack. Add some sparkle to your world. Oh, that's quite nice. Ooh. And it's only a partial. Okay, I'll roll it the other way. I don't know whether all diamond dots are all partials. They are a little bit more expensive than a lot of other companies. This was £15, 15 pence, I believe. So, and it's only tiny. I think it said it was a 30 by 30, but on here it says the design area is 23 by 25. So let's have a look. Yeah, 23 by 25. So it is a little, excuse me, dinky dodo one. It is. We've got a chart down the side. And they look easy and clear to read. I don't think there's any that's going to slip me up because they're all different colours. Ah, I have seen something that might slip me. Or is that just, can you see here? Different colour to there. So does that mean it's still the same symbol? I can't really see. So I'm presuming it's still. Yeah, some of the symbols I am finding extremely hard to read. No, I think You look down here, that one's got a cross in it, that one's got a dot. That's like a cross, that's like a dot. But I don't think there's one on there with a dot on it, so I'm presuming it's just bad printing. Yeah, it's not the best I've seen, I've got to admit. It's a bit blurry here, a bit blurry down here. Have a look how sticky it is. Plenty sticky though. I think as long as I have my light pad on, I should be alright. Now I think the colours are probably enough different for them to, you know, even though it's a different shading, it's still the same symbol. I think, yeah. Right, should we have a look at the symbols? Have a look at the diamond dots, and it's got Christmas Papa Mouse. I think it's going to be really pretty. And it's going to be a little snack one to do. I haven't got a tiny one, so I just wanted something that was quick and easy. So we should have, is it 22 colours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There is 22 colours. We'll have a closer look at them in a minute. Oh, I do like this idea though. We've got your normal pen, such as a bit glittery, which is quite nice. Can you see the glitter? So that's quite pretty. You've got your old doobie, what's it called, grippy, which I can't get on the pen. Needs a bit of a tight squeeze, but gosh, it is a tight squeeze. That's as far as I can get it on. I can't get the bloody thing off now. I think Grant will have to do that. And then in here, oh, I've never had a grey tray before. Has anybody else had a grey tray? That's a new one, but I like these little trays. A couple of cheap baggies. That's right, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all right. We like baggies. I like my baggies. I don't knock the baggie. And this is quite novel. You've got your piece of wax and you've got it in a little caddy with diamond dots on it. So that's nice. So that's nice to use. So they've obviously had it round and then somebody's taken some chunks out of it to get it to fit, but that's fine. I shall be using that because that's ideal. So you can just sling it in. You know, if you've got like Harbour Freights and you can go a little gap down the side. I put mine down the side. Hang on, I'll show you now. What I mean by that. Like if you've got a Harbour Freight or a box similar, they have like a little gap there. So that's where I'd put, like I've got that one there. So I would put my wax, all my different waxes, down the side of there. Yeah, that's only what I do. Let's take that up the top out the way. So that's nice, isn't it? I mean, the only way you can tell if the wax is good is just by using it. Give it a go and see what it's like. Oh, these must be your instructions. Oh, they are right. They are in every different language that they said. Arabic. I'll get Grant to translate that for me and see if he's right. She rips it. And it's even got photos, look, of each stage. Even how to pour them into your tray, how to use your wax, how to pick up the drill and how to put it down and then give it a quick press at the end. It's 100% polyester, the fabric is. So put that to one side. And it's alright. It's a bit, you know, you can tell it's a canvas fabric, but nothing wrong with it. So let's have a look at these closer, these drills. A little bit of a shine to them. I'm not sure how many facets are on them, but I can't see any misformed or different sizes. I mean, they don't usually pop with rounds, but they can. I have had a few paintings that I've got one there that's got a bit of a, can you see it there? An extra bit where the moulding of it, hang on, I'll turn it over, maybe you see it where the moulds obviously run right over and it's gone a bit funny, but that's fine. Ooh, I like that red. No DMC number though, guys, so if you do keep your drills, you're either going to have to try and colour match, or please don't chuck them in the bin. If you do something like this for them. I put these in here and I put them as a decoration jar. I've got that big one. I've got another one of these on the go. I've also got these on my shelf here. And don't they look pretty? And you can put them in decorated jars and put the thing, because I don't want them to end up with some poor little animal eating them. So I tend to recycle them. So if you don't want them, do something like that with them. If you know, I won't be able to colour match because I'm crap at that sort of thing. That's a nice orange. That's a nice Halloween. They do look a bit, I don't know. I don't know what the word is. There doesn't seem to be much of a shine to them. It's what you get with some when you hold them up. But I won't know, as I say. I'm being truthful, I'm just saying it as I see it. I mean, let me know how your experience is with diamond dots. This is my first time ever seeing it. So it'll be interesting to see. I don't think I will I don't know whether I'll buy a bigger one because they are awfully expensive for what you get. But I did like this one. So I thought I'll give it a go just to say that I've tried a diamond dots. But please let me know. And then I might change my mind. If somebody's had a full one, what's the full ones like? You know, full drill area. I mean, the whole lot. That's what I mean by full. The whole drill area is what's the word? Instead of being a partial, it's a full drill. So there's drills everywhere. But yeah, it's a pretty little thing. And I might even go and sit outside and do that today. Out in the garden, because it's what, 1:15. So might be a nice quick easy one. And I'll probably, with something this small, I wouldn't even bag these up. I'd just work out of these. So I would do like all number 13, which are the little up arrows. I do all the up arrows. I just take this off and do the lot in one go. Do each symbol for something so small. Just do all the one symbol, go on to the next and work it out like that. But let me know what you think. Do you think it's worth £15.50? Which, what is that? Nearly $20? Is it $18, $19? Something like that. See if you think it's worth. Let me know. Maybe I'm being a bit harsh saying it's a bit expensive. I don't know. Yeah, we'll give it a go. But anyway. Sorry, I'm not with it at all, am I, today? All over the place. I do apologise. Yeah. I'm just looking at it thinking, yeah or no. Yeah or no. I think I'm going to have to do it today, aren't I? And then I can come back this week. If I do it today, I'll come back this week and let you know what I thought. So anyway, all my details of how to contact me or comment or whatever is all down below. Always get back to everybody. Happy Mail forms down below if you haven't filled it in, and all about my Patreons down below, which you're not obligated to do. If you're not subscribed and you'd like to, we'd love to have you on board. I do all sorts of things on my channel, crafting wise, and I do a live on a Sunday, and there's a bell by the side. I'll let you know when I go live or when I upload a video. And saying that, thank you ever so much for stopping by and having a look at my diamond dots diamond painting. Take care, and most importantly, stay safe. Bye for now.